Hello, welcome to India Sister's Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Okay friends, today we are going to make mutton curry and ghee rice. Everyone has their own way of making. We are going to make it how we do in our home. This is our Sunday combo special for you.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sister's Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start. First, we will make mutton curry. Let's grind the masala needed for that.
Add this to the mixie. 1 teaspoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 10 cashew nuts, 5 green chilies, half cup of grated coconut, handful of coriander leaves, 3 tablespoon of chilli powder, 6 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. With this, add some water and grind it to smooth paste. Masala is ready. Let's turn on the stove and place a cooker on it. In that, add 5 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Now add 4 cinnamon, 4 cloves, 5 cardamom, 2 stone flour, 1 mace, 1 star anise and saute it. Now add 2 big onions which are cut into tiny pieces and saute nicely. Depending on how much you saute onion and tomato in the oil, you get better taste. Onion is sauteed well. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Continue to saute until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Ginger garlic paste sauteed nicely. Add half handful of mint leaves. Just mix a few times. Don't have to saute too much. Then add 2 big tomatoes cut into small pieces and continue to saute.
Tomato and onion sauteed nicely, Akka. Can you add the mutton now?
Now add the 1 kg mutton. Saute until the color of mutton changes. Mutton color has changed. As it turns a little white, let's add the ground masala we have and continue to saute.
You know, when I am tired and bored cooking myself every day, if someone cooks for me hot and fresh, that joy is special.
Yes.
With all the cashew nuts, poppy seeds, green chilies, the masala looks so colorful, creamy and smells so aromatic.
Masala looks nice without any raw smell and the soil separates nicely. Add 3 cups of water. Adjust as needed based on how thick or thin you want and mix it well. Add half teaspoon salt. Adjust it as you need. Now let's close and set the pressure. Wait for 5 whistles and turn it off. Now the mutton gravy is ready.
Now let's start making ghee rice. Let's turn on the stove and place a cooker on it. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of ghee and let it heat. Then add 5 cloves, 4 cinnamon, 1 star anise, 4 cardamom, 3 bay leaf and saute. With that, add 2 big onions cut into long pieces and saute until it becomes translucent. With the onions, add 6 green chilies cut into pieces. Continue to saute. Onion sauteed nicely. It should be like this. Then add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Whether it's veg or non-veg, when you add ginger garlic paste, you should saute until the raw smell goes away so that the food tastes delicious. Now the ginger garlic paste sauteed nicely. At this stage, add 1 handful of mint leaves and continue to saute.
Ammo, mint leaves sauteed nicely.
I have 2 cups of basmati rice soaked for half an hour and ready. You take 1.5 times water to the rice ratio, which is 3 cups of water. Add 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt.
Should this boil for some time?
Yes, it should boil for some time. After the water and coconut milk boil for a few minutes, add 2 cups of basmati rice and mix it. Then add half handful of coriander leaves. With that, I have some cashew nuts roasted into ghee ready. Add it. This is optional, but it gives a nice taste if added. Mix well until the water dries a little. Once water and rice cooks to this level, then set the cooker pressure. Let it cook for 10 minutes in low flame. That's it. Mutton curry and ghee rice that will make you hungry just by looking at it is ready.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.